Hang on a second. Wait a minute. Is that really Rick? Actually, you know who I look like? Yeah, Harlan Charles. So will today be the day that the C8 Mid Engine Corvette leaves Bowling Green Assembly Plant?
I don't know. I don't know.
Is that one of your biggest wishes?
Yeah, thank you, Brittany. I don't know either. Yeah, I know, I'm nutty. Yes, I'm hawking the webcams. I can't be there. I want to capture that when I see the trucks actually leaving Bowling Green Assembly, share that with you guys, and then not all of it, but a lot of the drama can be over. Let's move forward. Let's do business. Let's start delivering some dreams. Let's start getting some feedback from you guys that get these early cars and see what you think about this all-new mid-engine Corvette, because you heard from us and the media and all the YouTube people enough. I think you're all in for quite a surprise. I've said it all along. We said this last year. It's worth the wait. So thanks for hanging in there. A lot of people still don't have the orders placed. I know that you're like, hey, when's my turn? It's coming, slow but sure. More information on the remaining allocation situation for 2020, the startup for 2021. That'll be coming here sometime within a week and a half is what we're anticipating, so stay tuned to this channel. As soon as I get that information, I'll share it with you. We'll have a detailed conversation, and then let's just get back to doing business. Let's have a normal day. This last year and a half, more importantly, has been nothing normal at all. It's been insanity, man. It really has. So I'm sorry, I'm eating breakfast too. So I'll be back with you in just a second here on this vlog, hoping that, well, if I'm uploading this video right now, then yeah, I probably captured the trucks leaving the plant. So don't go anywhere. Oh, you want to see what the cam looks like? All right, it's early in the morning there too. Keep in mind, they're an hour behind us here. It is 8:12 Eastern, so that is 7:12 down there Central Time. And not a lot of activity. Not yet. Yeah, I'm still watching. Let me just apologize to you guys, because I know that I have, and many of you have wrecked your days watching this stupid webcam that your boy Ricky found and shared with everybody. I should have kept my mouth shut, but it was so different, so way outside the box. I had to share it with you guys, and a lot of people said, hey, that's pretty neat. Now I feel like I'm there. That's all I wanted to do, is feel like I was there for the moment that they actually started releasing the cars. So as I said earlier, I can't wait. There the image went down again. I know you guys are just jamming this, but I can't wait till we get past this point to get to, oh, for heaven's sakes, just to get to some normalcy, you know what I mean? I mean, vet season is like right now, man, so let's go. More updates coming in this vlog. Please don't go anywhere. Well, hang on a second, our Corvette technician Chuck's coming in. I don't think I've shared with him what we've been doing watching this webcam. I'll get his reaction here in a second. Hang on. Howdy.
Howdy. I assume that we're going to get some vets pretty soon.
He doesn't know I had the camera on. I was waiting to see what he was going to say. I might have had to edit some of that out.
Might have.
Right, absolutely. Yeah, come on, this is, just boys talking amongst ourselves here, but he didn't. Almost gotcha. But see the first thing on his mind? Dude, wait a minute. No, I want to get your reaction. It was perfect, man. Thanks for keeping it clean. For once. Now look at this. See what this is right here?
Yeah.
That's the webcam at the Bowling Green Assembly Plant off of I-65.
Okay.
Now, who do you think found that?
I don't see no trucks with vets leaving.
Well, exactly. We've been sitting here for days, man,
That's
waiting.
a problem.
I know that is a problem. But don't you think that's nutty?
Yeah.
That we got that?
I'm getting. Yeah, that's great. I'm getting accessories in.
That is the question of the day. You getting the C8s in yet? You got the cars yet? Did they ship yet? Every single day. And like somebody said on the channel, I forget who it was, many of you guys said the same thing. Hey, you know what, Rick, in 5, 6, 7 months, nobody's going to care, and this won't even be a conversation. But right now, it's fun, okay? So
Where they at?
Yeah, we're having a blast.
Where's Waldo?
Yeah, I'm having a blast, no doubt. Now I just keep watching, refreshing it. Yeah. And I'm here on my day off, if you will, my proverbial day off.
Yeah, okay.
Watching this cam for you guys. So thanks. Right, yeah.
I don't see no trucks leaving.
We got a lot of content coming up with you, bro. Prep, wheel install, wing install. We're gonna be doing ceramic coating install. You're not gonna do that. You're just gonna watch.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, right. Yeah. I'm not letting you do ceramic coating.
What?
No.
Wax on.
Yeah, whatever, man. On like Donkey Kong. All right.
That's right.
Get out of here.
Okay, see ya.
I think what everybody's waiting for, you guys really want these Corvettes to start shipping, don't you? Thank you, Brittany. She captured it and didn't even know it. All right, oh my gosh, here we are. I didn't even know what I would say at this very moment, but I think this is the most appropriate way to get started.
Gentlemen, start your engines.
Yes! Start those engines, move those trucks, deliver those C8 2020 Mid Engine Corvettes. Congratulations, everyone. Thanks for waiting. Let's get on with our lives, but here we go, man.
Gentlemen, start your engines.
Well, let me tell you a little something about me. When it's Saturday night, I need to blow off some steam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I've been holding in since the clock in Monday morning. From the end of the week, I'm about to blow. Breeze walking through the honky tonk like a pack of wolves now. Order of a round of shots, and it's away we go. It's a throw down, get down. Order of another round of shots. Trying to get drunk, get some have fun. Get into some trouble, baby, like a night. I'm a Jim Beam, drinking beer, singing la 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 la, dancing machine. Been a hell of a week, and I need to go watch and see. Look at those.
Doc, the flag means go. Remember the flag? Here we go.
I got to blow off some steam for blow up. I've been holding it in through the whole work week. Now it's Saturday night and I'm about to blow. So come on now, man, and play me none of the slow songs. I need boots to the bar, burning hill, race to get up and go songs. But give me something hot, just give me all you got. Now let's give old Luke Miller a try. Go ahead. I got to blow off some steam for blow up. I got to blow off some steam for blow up. I got to blow off some steam for blow up. I've been holding it in through the whole work week. Now it's Saturday night and I'm about to blow it.